What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Man, I'm working and I'm putting in a bunch of hours, but I still got to get y'all daily videos. That's always my goal. So yeah, we are knocking out a bunch of visits at a bunch of local spots. So yeah, let's go see what's up. I'm in the hood today in Panorama City. What they got, Shoe Palace here, then they got the Panorama Mall. Let's go see what's up. Checking out some of the low volume stores today. Not super hyped, but maybe we'll see a bunch of sales because it's not like stuff's been selling super well right now. So let's go see what's up. Got raffles coming up. I don't know when y'all will see this video, but dude got raffles coming up, fools. One of the smallest shoe palaces in the area. Music's blaring like crazy today. Been seeing plenty of J's lately, and yeah, that's continuing, dude. That's continuing. Holy crap, look at that. Tons of J's, dude. Holy crap. All right, let's see everything they got. They got the reflective, what's it, apple green or something? Reflective something. Can't see how it looks with the flash on, the 3M. The whole upper is 3M. And yeah, that does lead to creasing. The creasing does get crazy on the 3M materials, but okay, not too bad. Not too bad. I don't think I've seen these in person, have I? No, all 3M look super dope, but does it feel great? I don't know. But yeah, these are going for what? Oh, two bills. Going for $2. Seeing the Brotherhoods everywhere. Still going for $1.06. $1.80 now. I forgot. The Gore-Tex bad boys right here going for $2. Material is super nice on these, but people just ain't feeling the Gore-Tex like that. $2 kind of pricey, man. Still got the Jades. Oh my goodness, these are huge. So size 11. Got mids on top of mids. Just got mids everywhere. So many different colors. Damn. And then the elephant print ones. What do you guys think about them putting elephant print on these mids? Don't think we've ever seen that. We got like tumbled. Is that like alligator print in the back, or is that just tumbledness? I don't know. Okay. It just looks like an extra tumbled leather. I don't know, but it's here. $1.40. That's an SE, man, special edition. And then got one highs. I skipped this one apparently. Wow. Dang, ton of stuff, you guys. I know for us collectors, this is good news. Maybe things are changing. I've been saying that, hey, sneaker market is changing. $2 for these. The 6s, the material not bad on these. 11s, got these. Man, oh, they only have big sizes. Dang. Never mind, they have a 10.5. I might, man, I've been just buying way too much stuff. I haven't talked about it yet, but we'll have got a bunch of stuff in the mail, so we're gonna talk about that. Dude, got these in grade school. Got this as well. I've never seen this in person. I've seen it on the internet. I've seen people talk about this, but I've never seen this in person. Dang, the material is definitely interesting. A lot of knit material on it. Okay. Kids sizes, playoffs, 6 lows, mids, reverse bread mids right here. Got the ones, tons of ones. The low, dude got some mids. I think these look pretty dope. They're just not being, I don't know, y'all ain't feeling like that, I guess. And I got 6s, 13s, and more 13s. Wow. Checking out the women's section. Look, like I'm telling you, man, they've been having sales lately. This women's are grade school. But I don't know, but 7.5 forms go for $40. That's not bad because these normally, what, $80? $90 for these. $90 for those NMDs. Got some Pumas. I don't know what the hell they're called. I don't know. Soft rides. They're on sale. $30. In the men's section, we've seen a lot of the Vans on sale. Got the skate lows right here. One of the old school silhouettes. But yeah, $40 for these. This got some decent suede on it. Decent suede, $40. More of the skate lows. This is a combination of suede and canvas right there. Go for $40. Canvas ones right here go for $40. The black checkered right here, $40. Mocha colorway go for $40. That's the size 12 though. Then the women's size, they got these go for $20. Seen these a few times. This is trippy, dude. Got these as well. Converse go for $60. These are based on the Chuck 70s, which are way more expensive. Okay. Do got a bunch of clothing on sale. The Mason article stuff. Really good quality, I'm not gonna lie. There's a like it's a private brand that they have, like not like a huge name brand, but yeah, a lot of it is on sale right now. Get some really good prices. $20 for this jacket. Pretty clean jacket for $20, man. That's crazy. These started at 70, now they're down to 20. Wow, that's like 60 something % off. Wow. Got black and white, green and white. Got a bread colorway, and then got these, the Boys in the Hood shorts. Man, they have like a lot of private brands that they've been. I think that's their own brand actually. This is their own collab. $15. These started off at 40. $15 if you want to rep Boys in the Hood like that. Damn, Ice Cube looks young as hell right there. Cuba Gooding looks young too. Damn, not that they look young. They were young back then. That was what, 25 years, 30 years ago. Holy crap. Got mediums, got smalls. Oh, this is the Death Row ones right here. Okay. So this is a medium for the Boys in the Hood one, and then they also got the Snoop Dogg ones right here. These are probably going for the same price as well. Yep, $15. Yep. Is the Scarface stuff on sale too? Yeah, I feel like this hasn't been out that long. Yeah, $15 for all the Scarface stuff. Normally, what, $35? These shorts are kind of short though. But okay. Hoodies down to $20, normally $55. Pretty dope print. Got the Bruce Lee merch, man. If I had the Kobe Bruce Lees, I'd probably rock these. $35 for these, which ain't bad. And then they still got these. I'm so surprised. I've seen these at a few shoe palaces lately. $120. $120. This is a size 12.5 right here. Oh, like I said, size 12 right here. Normally like $2. And then they got these right here as well. This I think is size 11.5. But they have multiple sizes because this is size 9 right here too. It's interesting because usually they don't have Nike basketball stuff here. Do got the LeBron lows right here. I'm not a big fan of these. $160. And then do got the Kyrie Infinities. Surprised to see these here. $130. Not bad. Decent selection of Jordans. The women's section right here, these are down to $80. Air Max 90s. Yeah, so this is definitely a surprise. Pretty dope stuff. All right, let's go check out the mall now. Next up, Panorama Mall. They have 3 sneaker shops now because one of the mom and pops, they got a nice little Jordan account now. So yeah, let's go look around. Dang, this mall is bustling. Got people waiting at T-Mobile. I've never seen this mall packed. It's always been dead. This has always been the dead mall. All right, Footlocker. We got Finish Line. We got that mom and pop shop. So we are gonna start with Sports Town. This is the mom and pop shop, and yeah, they've been getting Jordan releases here. I think starting, what was it? The Patent Breads. I think the Patent Breads were one of the first ones they had. Yeah, let's look around. They do got Jordan section right there, and Nike section right here, but they're out of all the signatures. They got cases for some of the shoes. That's pretty cool. Presentation's dope, but they don't have any retros and I don't see anything. So all right, let's go check out the next shop. Damn, another one of these. I swear these are like drug fronts, man. There's no way you guys make money off of that. All right, let's go see what's up at Finish Line. I don't really know much about this Finish Line, if it's legit, if it's crooked, I have no clue, but it's packed as F right now. Look at this. I've never seen this mall this packed. Wow. And look what we come to right here, man. We're back to 2017, you guys. We're back to 2017. Well, actually, if we find stuff on sale, we'll be back to 2017. All right, manager told me I can't record in there. They didn't have jack anyway. They didn't have shit, so whatever. All right, let's go check out Footlocker. See what's going on over there. Dude got a Keymaster. Don't do it, fools. Don't do it. Waste of money. I don't think I've ever seen anybody win on here. And was it Harrison Neville actually had one of these? He opened it up inside. These are $5 freaking. Yeah, he pretty much did show, hey, there's an algorithm and you can choose how easy it is to win all this stuff. So like you can make it where, hey, it hits once every 10,000 on those and like once every 2,000 on those and once every 1,000 on those, something like that. So you can actually adjust the percentages of like, or how easy it is to win and stuff. So these do kind of tend to be a ripoff. They have a security camera in there. That's funny. We're watching you too, fools. We're watching you too. All right, got gold toes. What are those? The Yeezreel, I think, colorway, and then we got the. Is that the True Blue? That's a True Blue, huh? Okay. On a side note, whenever there's a freaking $1,000 as a prize, you know you're gonna win like one every 10,000 times, that man, because that fool's trying to make money. All right, let's go look at this Footlocker. Dang, their Nike section definitely has gotten significantly smaller after the Nike. After the Nike, I want to say the Nike account cut down or whatever you want to call it. Wow. Dude got a ton of Vans and other Nike products. I think this whole section is Vans. One of these lowlands on sale. These are number what, $90? And got a ton of them on sale. Oh my goodness. I remember when I picked mine up for hella cheap. And speaking of hella cheap, look at this. Oh my God. $22. This is size 13. Guarantee this is the last size. Whenever they only have one size, they do like pretty much throw it out for free because they want to hurry up and get rid of it. Wow. And then they're coming out with dang different material, different colorway. This is all suede right here. I've never seen this. This is actually really dope. Normally 85 down to 60. It is suede, and the suede feels pretty good. Wow. More of these Vans. More Vans on sale. I don't know the names. Okay. And down to $20, normally $60. Got multiple. And yeah, this is a collab with Penn, which is the tennis ball company. Okay. Dang, they're just putting all the Vans on sale. Guess they got a ton in the back. Seen these on sale. These are the skate lows, right? The skate lows right here. I don't know. Like I said, the old schools. Got some good suede. Okay. Dude, just all kinds of sales. And then $22. They are just canvas sneakers, so they shouldn't be that much anyways. But you know, Vans, people like Vans. I haven't even gone through all of them, but look, like they got more and more red tags everywhere. Skate highs right there, skate lows. Damn, that's crazy. So they have the regular RSX. Those will go for $110. Then they got these. This one's slightly different, the midsole and the most upper, but around the ankles a little bit different. This is on RSX too, but it kind of matches the Thundercats. The Thundercats, they did something different with the side right here, and then also the tongue is not a traditional tongue like the other ones, more of a neoprene material type of thing. But yeah, $40, $40. What size is this? This is a size 10, right? Oh, it's a UK 10, US 11. So normally $110 down to $40. Damn. I don't think I've ever seen this one using different materials and stuff. Okay. Because all the other ones, these are the OG ones right there, go for $70. Checking out the grade school section, man. I'm telling you, the more and more I see these, the more and more like, why didn't I get them? But I just got a lot of money tied up in other sneakers. Dang. This is grade school. Playoffs for the grade school kids, and then LeBron's too. I think this is the one we saw on sale, right? Yeah, I think we saw this at the clearance, or the Citadel. We saw a few of these on sale. Checking out the slides. Saw these. The material feels sort of like the Yeezy stuff. It looks like it feels like it's just all EVA foam. It does have a lining in it though. Normally $60 down to $20. And then okay, yeah. This is more like the Yeezy stuff right here. $20 for these. Yeah, that's funny. This seems way harder than the Yeezy though. The Yeezys are nice and soft. I don't see it with these. They got a few. Adelettes. I'm not a fan. But yeah, I do got a bunch of these. These pretty much the exact same as Adelettes. $10. Okay. Material feels the same as Adelettes. Got several for $10. And then $15 for all these. These are the softer ones, the solar soft ones. K-Swiss, are they still a thing? Coming out with new stuff. Oh, this is a new color. I've never seen this. K-Swiss are really stiff. I remember the last one I owned, it just killed my ankle right here. But okay, they're here. $70 for these, $50 for those. And then Diodoras, they're still getting rid of Diodoras. These are normally $110. These are the N9002s. Okay. Well, what the hell is this? What is this? What the hell? This is a 574. I usually know the 574s. This does not look like a typical 574. These are ugly. Oh my god, this is like a off-white gone bad. Totally an off-white gone bad. Trying to go with the deconstructed look. Did an awful job. Awful job. Did someone design it? It says Jaden. Is that Jaden Smith designing this? Really ugly stuff? Damn, that's terrible. Damn, that's the ugliest shoe I've seen this year. That's the ugliest thing I've seen this year. Wow. All right, I did hit up the low volume store. Thought I could find some crazy steals, but didn't really see too much here. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna add another vlog to this, or I don't know if I'm gonna hit up another spot or what. I don't know. We'll see. Do have a Curaçao right here. This is like a huge electronic store, kind of like a Spanish-speaking Best Buy, pretty much. They got a lot of dope stuff there. Then they also do got a Pollo Campero. Man, this place, like if y'all like fried chicken, this place is ridiculous. One of the best fried chicken, especially with the chains. Definitely worth the stop. All right, I'm out. Let's go.